Welcome to the Tech Talk podcast. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of virtual machines with a fascinating tool known as Lume. If you're into tech, whether you're a developer, a hobbyist, or just someone curious about getting more out of your macOS or Linux experiences, you're going to want to stick around for this. So what is Lume exactly? Well, it's a lightweight command line interface and local API server that allows you to create, run, and manage virtual machines on macOS and Linux with nearly native performance. And yes, it's specifically designed for Apple Silicon, which I think is pretty cool. Imagine being able to run macOS images with just a single command. That's right, one step. Just type lume run macOS Sequoia Vanilla Latest, and you're good to go. Now let's break down some of the commands that our listeners might find useful. Think of these commands as your toolkit for diving into the world of virtualization. You can create a new virtual machine using lume create name. Super simple. Want to see what VMs you currently have? Just use lume ls and voila, there's your list. But wait, there's more. If you need detailed info on a specific VM, just append lume get name. It's like a backstage pass to your virtual machines. And for all the techies out there, you'll appreciate the customization options. You can modify CPU cores, memory sizes, and even display settings using various options with the create or set commands. It's a smorgasbord of tech setup goodness. Now let's talk a bit about those pre-built images. Lume provides images for macOS and Ubuntu, and they come with an SSH server pre-configured. So if you're looking to dive right into development without spending hours setting things up, this is right up your alley. There's even an image just for Xcode command line tools. Could it be any easier? Here's something I find really fascinating. Lume exposes a local HTTP API server, meaning you can automate the management of your VMs. It listens at //localhost 3000/lume. And for all the tech-savvy listeners out there, you can check out detailed API docs to see all the cool possibilities. But of course, with anything in the tech world, community matters. Lume encourages contributions from users, whether it's improving documentation or sharing new features. It's a reminder that tech innovation often thrives in collaboration. Before we wrap things up, let's reflect on this. Think about how far virtualization has come, from heavy and resource-consuming to lightweight and nimble solutions like Lume. It opens up a world of opportunities for developers and tech enthusiasts alike to experiment and innovate. So, whether you're looking to set up a testing environment or just want to play around with different operating systems, Lume makes it incredibly straightforward. And hey, if you're curious about contributing, join their Discord community. The tech world is all about learning and sharing, right? Well, that's it for today. I hope you found this deep dive into Lume as exciting as I did. As always, if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to reach out on our social channels. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning.